What's going on, guys? Steve here with Roadworthy Revivals. It's the middle of winter. Snow is starting to pile up around here. Haven't made a video in a little while, and I noticed we just hit 5K subs, so I do thank you guys for that. So I figured I might as well do a cold start on the 1947 straight 8 Chrysler New Yorker. So let's see what happens. Well, throttle pedal just stuck down. That happened to me last time I was out for a drive, actually. I forgot about that. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, turn spring come off. That's what happened. Or I have that hooked way up there, I think. Yep, there we go. Yep, her choke's not quite staying closed all the way here. It's probably why we're not starting. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Let's give her another try. Here, we'll put you guys right here this time. Oh, she died. You gotta get her up to temp. Choke it again. There you go, she's not running too bad. I'd say she's running on all 8. Cool. Well, yeah, it's actually above 0 Celsius here today. Snow's starting to melt. We were down to about minus 28 Celsius. That sucked. I don't think I'm gonna pull her out. I know I'm just gonna get stuck here immediately. But yeah, what have I been up to? Took the motor out of that there Land Cruiser that's been rolled. Should actually show you guys this thing if you might be interested. I don't know how long it sat for, but definitely quite some time, judging by the giant tree growing through this rear corner. We did do a quick little first drive video in this thing after my buddy dropped it off. Well, he drove it anyways. She drove pretty good. We ended up slapping the motor into another 40 series Land Cruiser. This is actually a BJ42. I think 1982 model year. My buddy had a much cleaner 78 BJ40 with the B series diesel motor in it. We stuck the 3.4 liter out of this, the 3B, and a 5-speed H55 tranny out of a wrecked 60 series cruiser. He's cruising around on that thing. That kept me busy for a little while. Yeah. Anyway, come this spring, as soon as the snow melts, we got a cool little Buick. We're gonna do a first start, will it run video on that thing. It's sitting out in the field, and that one's gonna be a challenge for sure. See, there's that burnt out square back sitting there waiting for another sunny day. So yeah, look forward to doing more wildly entertaining videos for you guys in the future. Till then, yeah, go back and watch the old ones.